Ruby, that's from Fran. What could it be?
Somehow.
What could it be?
Oh.
What could it? She strapped that or taped it good.
Okay, remember it said fragile on
I'm
there.
eating, Mama.
So be very careful.
I'm eating, Mama.
Good job! Do you want to say hi to Fran?
There's a card.
Say hi!
Should I stop? Okay, there's a card.
Oh, and Fran said that you could send her more pictures and she'll put them on the wall.
Okay, happy birthday, Ruby, from Fran.
It even has the fish ducky on the card. That's so cute.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Wow, specially made.
This is really cool.
What do you tell Fran?
Thank you, Fran.
Isn't that cool, Ruby?
Uh-huh. I love you, Fran.
Okay, you guys say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Indy, can you say goodbye?